Is this the start of a golden bull run? Gold is surging. The precious metal has caught the attention of investors worldwide. Investors are buying it up. Why? The allure of gold as a safe haven during economic uncertainty is undeniable. The Federal Reserve might cut interest rates. Lower interest rates often lead to a weaker dollar, making gold more attractive. This has everyone talking about a new gold bull market. Analysts are buzzing with predictions and speculations. Is this the beginning of a massive gold price surge? Historical trends suggest that gold could continue to climb. Let's dive in and find out. Experts are analyzing every detail to forecast the future of gold prices. We haven't seen gold move like this in years. Previous surges have often been followed by significant gains. It's like a rocket taking off. The rapid rise is drawing comparisons to past bull markets. But remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and strategy are key. Don't get caught up in the hype. Emotional decisions can lead to costly mistakes. We need to look at all the factors driving gold's price. From geopolitical tensions to inflation rates, many elements are at play. Stay informed and consider all aspects before making your move. The gold market is complex and ever-changing. Gold prices are hitting record highs. Just last week, gold went above $2,000 an ounce. That's incredible. This surge is making headlines everywhere. Analysts are closely watching every tick of the gold market. What's behind this incredible rally? The answer is simple: fear and uncertainty. Investors are worried about the economy. They see gold as a safe place to put their money. When the market gets shaky, gold shines. The Federal Reserve is meeting soon. Everyone wants to know, will they cut interest rates? Rate cuts make borrowing cheaper. This could weaken the dollar. A weaker dollar is good for gold. It makes gold cheaper for buyers using other currencies. Lower interest rates also make it less appealing to hold cash. Investors look for assets that will grow their money. Gold often becomes that go-to asset during times of economic uncertainty. Section 4. Global tensions flare. A boon for gold. The world is on edge. Geopolitical tensions are rising. From the Middle East to Eastern Europe, conflicts are escalating, and the global community is watching with bated breath. The Middle East is a powder keg. Long-standing disputes and new confrontations are creating a volatile environment. The war in Ukraine continues. The conflict has devastated cities and displaced millions, adding to the global instability. This uncertainty makes investors nervous. Markets are unpredictable, and the fear of economic downturns looms large. They flock to safe haven assets like gold. Gold has intrinsic value. It's a tangible asset that has stood the test of time. You can hold it in your hand. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is a physical commodity that you can see and touch. This gives investors a sense of security. Knowing that their wealth is stored in something tangible provides peace of mind. In times of turmoil, gold is a rock in a storm. It remains stable when other investments falter, making it a reliable choice during uncertain times. Section 5. Gold, the ultimate safe haven in uncertain times. In a world where financial stability can be elusive, gold stands out as a beacon of security. Gold has a long history as a safe haven asset. From ancient civilizations to modern economies, it has been revered for its enduring value. For centuries, people have turned to gold during crises. Whether it was a natural disaster, political upheaval, or economic downturn, gold provided a reliable refuge. Wars, recessions, pandemics, gold has seen it all. Through the darkest times in history, gold has remained a steadfast asset, and it has always held its value. Unlike paper currency, which can be devalued, gold retains its worth. Investors see gold as a hedge against inflation. When the cost of living rises, gold often appreciates, providing a buffer against the eroding value of money. When prices rise, the purchasing power of money declines. Everyday expenses become more costly, and savings lose their buying power. But gold tends to hold its value. It acts as a financial anchor, maintaining stability even when other assets falter. This makes it a good store of wealth over the long term. For those looking to preserve their assets, gold offers a reliable and time-tested solution.